guys, it's celebrity hairstylist Clyde Haygood, and I'm here backstage at the Look Fabulous photo shoot for TressAllure Wigs. I've been a huge fan of TressAllure Wigs for a long time, and I've been putting them on my celebrity clients for years, and this whole new collection is going to blow your mind. It's incredible. We have an amazing collection for spring, and it includes some really cute shortcuts. There's an Angled Pixie, there's a Brushed Pixie, a really cool Razor Cut Shag, which is one of my absolute favorites. I can't wait to put that on my celebrity clients, and the tapered curls. So many cool modern styles. I can't wait to get back to Hollywood and use them on all my clients. So you should check it out if you want to look fabulous too.